and get the correct answer to this question, because some tutors do for this particular question. They said that you should find what? Solve the inequality. This is the inequality. 1 minus what? 2x less than minus 1 all over what? All over 3. For you to solve this particular question, first thing you need to do is this. You know that this thing, any number in this form, both variables and constant, is equals to 1, is all over 1. So if you have something in this form, it is all over what? 1. If you have 2 in this form, 2 is all over what? 1. So that's what I'm going to apply here. What next are you going to do? You cross multiply. This 3 will multiply everything here. This 1 will multiply everything here. It will not be in this form. 3 brackets what? 1 minus what? 2x. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and follow me, so that you'll be seeing more shortcuts about physics, chemistry, and mathematics with English too. Is less than. Let's continue. 1 times minus 1 will give you what? Minus 1. What next are you going to do? You continue your solving. 3 times 1 will now give you what? 3. 3 times 2 will now give you what? Minus what? 6x less than what? Minus what? 1. What are you going to do? You collect what? Like term. Minus 6x is less than minus 1 plus positive sign cross equality sign. It will give you what? Negative. Why negative sign cross equality sign? It will give you what? Positive. So plus 3 cross equality sign, it will not be what? Minus 3. This will not be minus 6x less than what? Minus 3 minus 1. That will give you what? Minus what? 4. So what are you going to do now? This will not be minus 6 less than minus 6x less than minus what? Minus 4. What are you going to do? Divide both sides by minus 6x minus what? 6. But the trick here is this. When negative sign crosses this inequality sign, what is going to happen to it? If it is less than, it will change to what? Greater than. If it is greater than, it will not change to what? Less than. So x will not be greater than what? Minus cancel minus is plus. 2 divide 4, it will give you 2. 2 divide 6, it will not give you what? 3. So the remaining value there is what? X greater than what? 2 all over what? 3. If you go to the option, the one that's the correct answer there is what? Option what? Option B. The remaining ones are what? Are wrong. Please do well to follow me. Don't forget to share and like my video. Thank you.